Hey guys, welcome back to another fun episode of Learning with Fun Gloves. Today's fun gloves are green and white. Whoa! It's for Happy St. Patrick's Day. Pretty cool. St. Patrick's Day, or the Feast of St. Patrick, is a religious and cultural holiday held on March 17th, the traditional death day of St. Patrick, the foremost patron saint of Ireland, and it's been going on for over 1,000 years. Pretty cool. Well, today we're gonna have fun. We're gonna see what's in this cauldron of goodies, and we're gonna celebrate St. Patrick's Day with fun gloves. Come on and join me. It's gonna be fun. All right, up first, let's see what's inside the cauldron, the green cauldron. Let's see. Whoa, it's a shamrock. It's a shamrock necklace. Look how cool. All right, let's see what else is inside. Whoa, it's a rainbow with gold. There's gold inside of it. And a cauldron just like this one, but this one's black. And it's got a little shamrock. Pretty cool. All right, let's see what else is in there. There's a lot of stuff in here. Whoa, it's a little leprechaun. Hello, happy St. Patrick's Day. Pretty cool. All right, let's see what else is in there. Whoa, it's a little cauldron with gold inside. The little leprechaun must have been guarding this. Whoa, that's pretty cool. All right, let's see what else. Oh, look at that, it's a little ducky. It's a green ducky with shamrocks all over it. That's super cute. Look at that. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. All right, let's see. Whoa, look at this. It's a green shamrock and slap bracelet. How cool is that? Now I'm ready for the festival. How cool. All right. I know there's more stuff. Whoa, look at that. How cool. It's a little leprechaun hat. It's got a buckle with a belt going around and a shamrock. Awesome. That's so cool. All right, let's see. Whoa. All right, gold coins. Cool, more gold coins. I'm gonna put them with the rest. All right, I think we're getting pretty close to the end. Whoa, look at that. It's another little leprechaun. Oh, he fits on my finger. Let's go find your brother. Okay, come on. All right, I think we're getting down to the last thing. Let's see what's in here. Whoa, it's another cauldron. And this one has shamrocks all in it. Magical shamrocks. Man, no wonder there were two little leprechauns in there. They were guarding two things of magical treasures. Awesome. All right, well, I hope you guys had fun learning a little bit of history of St. Patrick's Day and finding some treasures in here. Pretty cool. Look at that. It's empty. We searched it all. We got all the treasures in gold. Awesome. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great and safe and happy St. Patrick's Day. See you next time. Bye-bye.